Thank you for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Shantrell, here to give you financial tips and tricks as you get to know your money better. So today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday, and I have a tip for you to give you a little bit of time if you haven't gotten a will yet. So if you have not gotten a will, or your parents or your grandparents, and you're worried about where your finances may go if one of you passes away, then what you can do today even is go online, contact your human resources department, or go into the bank and fill out a beneficiary form. So how you would do this at work is that you would contact your human resources department, ask them for a beneficiary form or how to make the information change online, and you would actually designate people that you want to receive your 401k, or if you have a retirement coming from your employer, or even if you've worked a week or so and then you passed away, that income that you were supposed to receive can go to the beneficiary. And what you can do is have one beneficiary. You can have two, you can have three, four. You can separate the percentages. Say that you want 100% to go to a person, or you want 50%, 33.3%, 25%, etc. And you would just make those changes there with your employer. In addition, you will need their full name, their social security number, and their date of birth. Sometimes you will need their address as well. Now, if you have a bank account or multiple accounts and you have access to online, or even if you need to go into the bank, you would contact the bank and let them know you want to fill out a beneficiary statement, or even you can go online and fill it out. And you would also designate people to receive those funds out of your bank account on that same form. Again, you can break it up in percentages per person, and you will also need their name, their social security number, and their date of birth, sometimes their address. So I'm not telling you not to get a will or not to get that taken care of for yourself or your family member. However, this will buy you a little bit of time until you do get a chance to get that will taken care of. So if you liked this video, please click the like button. Also, please share it with friends and family so that they will be in the know. And as always, I ask you to please subscribe so you can get more information and more free financial tips and tricks like this every Tuesday when I do my 2-Minute Tuesday right here on the Financial Spotlight. Thank you for joining me.